actually been doing small videos for you today. This is my second one. I did the juicing, and now I thought, since I'm doing my prepping, my salads, I'll show you quickly how I do it. So what we're going to make, this gorgeous salad in a jar. And this is the wonderful thing, you have it, you do it today, for next 4 or 5 days you've got fresh salad, and I mean fresh. It's so good. So it doesn't feel any different if you have to prep it that same day. So you save yourself a lot of time. And here I've got like cucumbers, I've got peppers, tomatoes, red cabbage, some salad, spinach, whatever you've got in the fridge, just throw in here, and every day you can just open up and you've got your salad ready made. So let's start it. So what I've got in here, I've got some washed tomatoes and red radish. Everything organic, by the way. I like organic, and now in UK you can get a lot of organic in normal supermarkets. Cucumber, peppers. I've washed it, lettuce, spinach and cabbage. What I do normally, I wash it and then I pop on the towel here so it soaks the water, and I try to dry as much as possible so it's not wet. So when you actually put in a jar, it isn't wet, okay? It's quite important actually, because we don't want any bacteria, and we don't want to, when it's dry, it's basically less problems, less problematic regarding being wet and going a bit soft and things, okay? So what I normally do, I chop it all down, and when I've got it all chopped, I'm going to show you how I pop it in my jars. guys again. Just to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you like my little salads, because there are lots more to come. Thank you for watching. Beata ku.